What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to log into your Payoneer account. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So you need to log in, guys. I'm going to log in into my Payoneer account so that I can show you guys how you can transfer money to your Binance account. Okay, this is not complicated. Okay, it's very easy and quick. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to click on cards, banks and cards, and you want to click on Payoneer cards. So after, guys, you click on Payoneer cards, as you can see, the Payoneer cards are simple and rewarding way to pay for your global business expenses. So but to order this card, as you can see, guys, to order a Payoneer card, you need to receive payments of at least $100 to your account in the last 6 months. So this means you need to receive $100 and you will have the option here to order the card. Now I already have like multiple Payoneer cards with my other Payoneer accounts. I'm using, like, my mom is Payoneer and my dad, like, I use different ID cards. But this one, as you can see, if you don't receive $100, you will not be able to click here order the card. If you click here on order the card, then it will be sent to you to your house and you will get it. After you get the card, it's like a physical card, then you can use it just like you do with your other cards. Okay, so after you get the card, guys, then you need to click on buy crypto. In the top left, click on credit card and debit card, and then you select what you want to buy. So for example, how much you are going to spend. So for example, I'm going to go with dollars, and I'm going to, for example, $100, and you want to select the crypto that you want to buy. If you want to buy, for example, Ethereum, you can buy it, and then that's it. You want to then click continue, and you want to add the credit card number, like the you just want to add the credit card number. Here is it. You want to click on card, click confirm, click add new card, and then you want to select the card here. I'm going to do that right now, and then click confirm. Okay, that's it. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. So if you don't want to wait for the card, you can just withdraw the money from your Payoneer account to your local bank account, and then you can use a credit card from your local bank account to buy, okay, from Binance. So hopefully this video makes sense.